You've worked hard your whole life, and now it's time to enjoy your golden years with dignity, comfort, and freedom. But if you think a nursing home is your only option after 65, think again. A powerful shift is happening right now in how older adults are choosing to live, and it's changing everything. Forget the old-fashioned image of crowded hallways, cold food, and little privacy. Today, seniors are taking control of their lifestyle, health, and happiness in exciting new ways. In this video, I'll show you 7 groundbreaking trends in senior living that are revolutionizing life after retirement, and you might be surprised at just how vibrant your future can be. So stay with me, because the options available now could completely change the way you age and make nursing homes a thing of the past. Welcome to Elderly Wisdom Official, where we help you age smarter, live better, and stay in control of your life. If you're over 55 or care about someone who is, this video is for you. Today we're talking about the future of senior living. Not just small improvements, but real powerful changes that give you more independence, better health, and the kind of lifestyle you truly deserve. These 7 new trends are growing fast in the US, UK, and around the world, and many of them are more affordable than you think. Let's start with number 1, because it might just open the door to a whole new way of life. Trend 1, the rise of aging in place with smart home tech. More and more seniors are choosing to stay in their own homes rather than move into nursing facilities. And thanks to modern technology, it's safer and easier than ever before. This trend is called aging in place, and it's gaining momentum for good reason. With smart home devices like voice-activated assistants, fall detectors, video doorbells, and even medication reminders, older adults can live independently for longer while still staying safe. For example, motion sensor lights can automatically brighten a hallway if you get up at night, preventing dangerous falls. Smart thermostats learn your comfort levels and adjust the temperature automatically. There are even stoves that shut off by themselves if they sense you've forgotten to turn them off. And with medical alert systems that can call for help in seconds, peace of mind is no longer limited to those living in care facilities. Aging in place gives you the freedom to stay where your memories are, without sacrificing safety or support. It's not only practical, but emotionally empowering. Studies show that seniors who age in place with the right support systems experience less depression, better sleep, and a greater sense of control over their daily life. This is a huge step forward from the old model of aging, and it's only the beginning. Trend 2, senior co-housing communities. Imagine living in your own private home, surrounded by friendly neighbors who are all in the same stage of life. You share meals if you want to, you have social events, gardens, and walking trails, but you also have your own space, your own kitchen, your own privacy. That's what senior co-housing is all about. It's a growing movement across the US, UK, Canada, and beyond. These are intentional neighborhoods where older adults live near one another and support each other without giving up independence. Think of it like a modern-day village designed for your lifestyle, with built-in community, safety, and affordability. You're not just avoiding loneliness, you're gaining connection. Some co-housing groups even share the cost of hiring wellness coaches, cooks, or visiting nurses to make daily life easier. And because residents often have a say in how the community operates, you get a sense of ownership and belonging that a nursing home simply can't offer. Studies have found that seniors in co-housing environments report higher levels of happiness, lower rates of depression, and stronger cognitive health, all linked to increased social engagement. So if you've ever wished for neighbors who feel more like family, this trend may be the perfect fit. Trend 3, intergenerational living. What if you could live in a space where young and old support and learn from each other? That's exactly what intergenerational living is making possible. In these communities, seniors and younger people, such as college students or young professionals, live in the same building or area, often at a discounted rent in exchange for helping with errands, companionship, or even just shared meals. This model brings incredible mental and emotional benefits to older adults. You're not isolated, you're part of a vibrant, living network. You stay mentally sharp by engaging with younger generations. You laugh more, you learn new things, and you pass on your own wisdom. Many universities and cities are already testing these programs with great success. In the Netherlands, some nursing home residents live with students in the same complex, and in exchange for a few hours of help each week, the students live rent-free. The result? Friendships, understanding, a renewed sense of purpose. And let's face it, having someone nearby who can help with technology or just chat over tea can make life not just easier, but richer. This is more than just a housing solution. It's a bridge between generations and a reminder that we're better together. Trend 4, wellness-focused senior residences. Now let's talk about a powerful shift in how senior living spaces are being designed. Forget sterile hallways and bland food. Today's senior residences are being built around wellness. We're talking about places that focus on your physical, mental, and emotional health every single day. From on-site yoga and Tai Chi classes to spa services, organic meals, guided meditation, and even massage therapy, these modern communities are all about keeping you strong, mobile, and joyful. Some even include indoor walking tracks, heated pools, nature therapy gardens, and personal trainers who specialize in senior fitness. The goal is simple but revolutionary, not just to care for illness, but to promote vitality. And guess what? You don't need to be rich to enjoy this lifestyle. Many wellness-based senior living communities are now being built in suburban areas or smaller cities, where land is cheaper and living costs are lower. Some even accept insurance or offer government-supported programs to keep costs manageable. The idea is no longer just to help seniors live longer, but to help them live better. With more focus on movement, nutrition, and relaxation, seniors in these communities often report fewer doctor visits, better moods, and deeper sleep. This is aging done right, and it's already transforming how we think about retirement. Trend 5, mobile health services that come to you. Remember the days when you had to travel across town just to get your blood pressure checked or renew a prescription? Well, not anymore. One of the most exciting changes in senior care is the rise of mobile health services. Healthcare that comes straight to your door. This means doctors, nurses, therapists, and even lab technicians can now visit you at home, saving you time, money, and stress. Mobile clinics now offer everything from routine checkups to physical therapy, x-rays, medication management, and even mental health support. This trend is especially helpful for seniors who live alone or have mobility challenges. With a simple phone call or app, you can now access professional care without leaving your living room. It also helps prevent unnecessary hospital visits because you're being monitored more regularly in the comfort of your own home. Some programs even use telehealth tools so you can speak with a doctor or nurse over video, and they can track your vitals remotely using smart devices. The result is a safer, easier, and more comfortable life, with less disruption and more peace of mind. And for many older adults, this is the kind of support that makes it possible to avoid nursing homes altogether. Trend 6, age-friendly cities and communities. Now let's zoom out and look at something even bigger. Entire cities transforming themselves to support older adults. These are called age-friendly cities, and they're designed with your needs in mind. You'll find smoother sidewalks for safe walking, benches at regular intervals to rest, better lighting for visibility, and public transport that's easier to access, even for those with walkers or canes. Local shops and pharmacies are placing seats for older customers. Crosswalks stay green a few seconds longer. And community centers offer everything from dance nights to nutrition classes. The World Health Organization is actually leading this global movement, encouraging towns to be more livable for people over 60. More than 1,400 cities around the world, including in the US, UK, Canada, and Australia, are already taking part. But what makes this truly powerful is the mindset shift. Aging is no longer seen as a burden. It's being respected, honored, and included in how cities are built. So instead of needing to move to a facility, you can simply enjoy a public space that works with you and helps you stay active, independent, and connected to your community. Aging doesn't mean disappearing. It means adapting and thriving. Trend 7, senior nomad living and digital retirement. Now here's one trend that might surprise you, especially if you've ever dreamed of travel. More seniors are now becoming digital nomads. That's right, retired individuals who choose to live in different countries or states for months at a time while still receiving medical care and staying connected. With portable pensions, telehealth, and international health insurance, many older adults are realizing they don't need to stay put. Countries like Portugal, Mexico, Thailand, and Costa Rica are now hotspots for retirees. Why? Lower living costs, excellent health care, warm climates, and welcoming communities. You can rent a small apartment near the beach, have groceries delivered, access English-speaking doctors, and video chat with your family without giving up comfort or safety. Some seniors even live 6 months abroad and 6 months back home, enjoying the best of both worlds. It's flexible, it's exciting, and it's surprisingly affordable. This is senior living for a global generation, and it's changing everything we thought about retirement. So let's recap. From smart home aging to co-housing, intergenerational living, wellness communities, mobile healthcare, age-friendly cities, and global nomad retirement, today's seniors have more freedom and choice than ever before. You don't need to settle for a nursing home if it doesn't feel right. You can design your own path, one that fits your personality, your health, and your dreams. Whether you want connection, independence, care, or adventure, these new trends are here to support you. If this video helped you see a brighter future ahead, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this information. Your best years are still ahead, and now you have the tools to live them your way.